Hi, in this video I'll actually show how you use the open source Appium framework to UI automate the testing of a hybrid mobile SDK app built using the Salesforce1 platform. I'll show it running on the iOS simulator. The idea is that you can use Appium and completely automate the UI testing of your applications, both native as well as hybrid. For native, I already showed it in another video. For hybrid, I have chosen the account editor app that comes as a sample app with the mobile SDK. So when we launch this app, it shows a listing of the accounts that I have in my org. What I can do is I can select one of the accounts, and then I hit tab, so it fires the tap event on that account, and it shows the detail. It shows name, industry, phone, etc. The phone is blank, so what I can do is now select the phone, enter the value, and then push that value out so that it shows up in the phone field. Then I refresh it so that it shows the value that was there in the emulator. And then what I can do is select done and then fire a tap event on that. So this will save the phone, and it shows in the phone field in the view mode. And to save it back to Salesforce, now I select the save button, and then if I fire the tap event, it will save it back to Salesforce. So this is a very easy way to test all your CRUD operations using automated UI testing. So let me just go ahead and refresh it once, and let me just choose save. Sorry, and let me just choose save, and then it will save it back to Salesforce. So when I fire the tab button, it saves it back to the Salesforce. The UI refreshes and I come back to the list view. And sometimes the Appium simulator view doesn't refresh, so I'll just hit refresh, and now I'm back on the list view. And then what I can do is I can choose one of the accounts and maybe show another one of the CRUD operations. So I'll just navigate back to the list view again, and then let's see, we can do a bunch of other stuff. So let's select another account. For example, I selected the test account, I fire the tap event, so it takes me to the detail view. And now let's select the delete event and fire a tap event on delete. So this should then delete the account. So I look for a button with static text delete, and then I fire that event. It fires, and so you've seen the emulator, it has refreshed and it shows that account is deleted. I hit refresh so that it refreshes in Appium as well, and we can see that that account has been deleted now. What I can also show is how you can actually create new records as part of your automated UI tests. So there is a create button at the top. Go to that and fire the tap event. Then all you need to do is basically fire the tap events for all the fields where you want to enter the value. So I'll first choose name and I'll enter the information. Let's call it a new account, and then I send the keys, so it propagates the text field. Similarly, I'll do it for industry and phone. So as you can see, I mean, this, if you have, depending on whatever fields you have in your Salesforce object, you can pretty much enter any information that you want here, and then it can simulate the whole create flow from the UI for you. So let me actually, industry and phone are not mandatory, so let me keep them blank and hit save. I first hit done, so it saved locally. Now let me hit save, and this would save it back to Salesforce. So the emulator has refreshed, it's back to the list, and the new account now shows up in the list. So this is how you use the open source Appium framework and automate the UI testing of your Salesforce1 mobile applications. Thank you.